Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about guys techno phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to solve talkback problem in techno phone device. Friends, you have guys talkback problem in your techno phone, so how to solve guys talkback problem today friends I am going to show you in this video. So friends, by mistake you have on talkback in your any Android phone and any Tecno mobile. So how to solve talkback problem? Don't worry guys, you can solve talkback problem easily. Step by step guys, I will show you. Then guys, you can easily solve your talkback problem. First of all guys, you will have to scroll guys your screen with your two finger guys. One finger will first of all guys we will close this app. So as you can see this type of interface. So guys, on your phone all setting and guys scroll it with two finger guys. Don't use guys one finger guys, you cannot solve your talkback problem with one finger. If we cannot solve two finger, we can solve talkback problem easily. Use your two finger and guys click on your phone setting, one tap guys, and continue guys to tap, continue to tap. Then guys your setting will on with two taps. So guys click on guys any setting and guys scroll with slowly. Special function guys, we will click here and we will again double tap. As you can see special function setting will on, so guys click on edit and first click on accessibility and get double tap here, continue. As you can see one tap will not work. As you can see I cannot back, you can see. So once click on talkback setting and guys again double click. Guys use talkback guys, right side this icon guys, click here again guys, double click, stop talkback guys, tap here and double tap to solve talkback problem. So friends, your talkback problem has solved, and friends you can read guys your about talkback, how to use, how to off, what is shortcut key or talkback shortcut keys guys you want to on, so you can on from here and you can use it. So like that guys, we can solve talkback in any Android device, any techno phone. So I hope you understood how to solve talkback. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.